Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2019 Mathematics Past Question 1. Write the Roman numerals CL, XV in numbers. Write the Roman numeral CL, XV in numbers. A 65, B 95, C 115, and D 165. Now I want you to understand that what Roman numerals is a numbering system, and it is usually practiced by the Romans. And because of its importance in mathematics, it has been introduced in our curriculum. So it is very important we understand and know these Roman numerals. And Roman numerals simply what represents numbers using alphabets, and these alphabets are in capital letters. These alphabets are in capital letters. Now starting with 1, Roman numeral represents 1 with I. So an I represents 1. I represents 1. So that means 2 represented by what? 2I. I. That is 1 plus 1, 2. So I will give you 2. Then likewise, the 5. 5 is represented in the Roman numeral system by V. Then 10 is represented by X. Then you have your what? 50. 50 is represented by L. 50 is represented by L. Then 100 is represented by C. Then 500 is represented by D. And then 1000 is represented by M. Now all these are the basic words. These are the basic Roman numerals, and from these other words Roman numerals are derived. Take for instance, now if you want to write 4. Now 4 is derived from what? From 1 and 5. How? 4 simply means what? 1 before 5. Like we know, 1 plus 4 will give us 5. So meaning 1 before 5. And for you to write 4 in Roman numerals, it means that what? You're writing 1 before 5, and that is what? I before V. And this is 4. And that is why I say others are derived from these basic ones. But the question here says, write this Roman numeral C L X V in numbers. Now to write this Roman numeral in number, you start from the what? You start from the right, from the left here, sorry, and move to the right. Now you have your C, and like I told you, in Roman numeral system, the C represents 100. Represents the 100. Then the next is your L. The next is your L, and L represents 50. Like you can see, look at it here, L represents 50. Then you have the X. X represents 10. X represents 10, as you can see here, look at it, X represents 10. And then you have V. V represents 5. Look at it here, V represents 5. So now when you add all this together, you have what? You have 5, you have 6, and you have 1. So therefore C L X V in Roman numeral is equivalent to what? 165 in numbers. So our answer is 165. D is our answer, 165. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.